Right?
Oh no, this is Don and Bob. That is Bob.
I think it's Gary and Paul.
They look kind of similar.
Oh no, yeah, you're right, because he does actually have a beard.
Gary and Paul. You did last year when they were here. Remember Paul was playing?
Do you know how drunk I was last year?
Oh, you don't remember.
Oh, sorry. Did I put it on the video?
Paul's in a band.
Wait, was he the one playing the guitar with everyone else? Okay, yes.
Yes.
We couldn't get anything because Dan was in Plymouth.
Oh, okay.
All the time. Yeah. He's the lead guitarist. He's awesome.
You should get up and say hello. I'm not gonna know anyone else.
Introduce everyone, and they can forget all their names in 10 minutes.
They know.
Just kidding.
It's not at their house. John and Bob? No, it's Gary and Paul. Great couple.
Although it's kind of, Gary and Paul and Don and Bob, they're kind of similar.
Yeah. And they kind of look like Paul's Paul. Played last year.
Your other stuff is still in the camera. I mean, in the room, right?
Pizza will be here in a half an hour. Cheese and meatloaf.
You have them double covered.
Yeah.
Wait, what? You ordered a pizza?
Two large pizzas for everybody.
Marconi Beach, please?
Yeah, exactly. Marconi Beach fucking area.
Yeah, it is fucking funny as shit.
Hey, listen. We were out on friends of ours boat last year in down near the Tipsy Seagull around Fall River and stuff. We pulled up to Barrett's Ale House. Yeah. Pulled up to the dock there. We called order 3 pizzas. Fucking ran up, brought it back onto the boat.
Oh, that's fucking funny.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, Fathoms does the same thing. You can actually pull up with your boat, right?
I think so.
In Fairhaven?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's this now? Oh, they're definitely somebody for here because they've got chairs.
Chairs or chairs?
Chairs.
Okay.
I'm thinking.
Could be that way.
Actually, I think they're both girls.
I wouldn't care if I was
There's a third. So there's 3 girls.
Yeah. Oh no, that may be a. Oh no, what the hell is that person carrying in the bag? I don't think that's a girl. That may be a guy.
That's not a girl. That's not a guy.
Oh, my eyesight's horrible.
Actually, you know what? It is. She's got beautiful hair.
An amazing blonde. How far?
Is that a young David Lee Roth?
Oh, could be. How far do you have to be away from the stairs that you have the fire?
They have what?
How far have you?
Oh, I have no idea.
Sure. Because I think we're actually we're about the same distance as last fall.
Where do you live?
Middleborough.
Oh, okay.
I moved here about 5 years ago from the Framingham area.
Okay.